Question 35. In triangle XYZ and XQP, XP equal to 4 centimeter, XQ equal to 5 centimeter, and PQ equal to QY equal to 3 centimeter. Find ZY. First of all, let's interpret it one by one. Triangle XYZ. This is XYZ. And then this is triangle XQP. XQP. Now, looking at this diagram, both triangles are congruent. So, what do you mean by congruency of triangles? When two triangles have, or two or more triangles, when they have when they have equivalent side and angles. That is, let's say the side of one is a multiple of the other or exactly the same. So we say that those two triangles are equivalent. This one is different from the concept of similar triangles. So there is a difference between that. So for us to see that these two triangles are actually congruent, let me draw out the triangle. Let me separate them. So you will see that they are actually congruent. So let's say we have this, the one at the top, can draw it like this, and the other one at the bottom, I can draw it like this. Now, this is XPQ, and this is XYZ. So look at the two triangles. Now, for the XPQ, if I compare with this, for the XPQ, this side of XPQ is 5 centimeter, and here is 4 centimeter. Now, looking at the XYZ, look at the XY, the total length of XY is 5 centimeter plus 3 centimeter, which will give me 8 centimeter. And this one is having angle theta in the middle. Let me put angle theta here. Now, check here. Check the side of X. Check this side, XQ. Oh, sorry, XP. If you check XP, you will see that it's a multiple of XY. XY is a multiple of XP. So there is something we can generalize from there. XY is a multiple of X. XY is a multiple of XP. So that is 4 times 2 will give us 8. So that means there is something. And then both of them have similar angle inside it. They both share this angle. So we just look for a place that exactly looks like angle theta inside here and make it theta also. So it means both are having angle theta inside them, and they also have equivalent side. So it means they are congruent. So how can we now get YZ? So I will take the ratio of corresponding side. Taking the ratio of corresponding side will help me to solve this question. So corresponding side, this side XP of the first triangle all over XY of the second triangle must be equal to let me equate it, YZ or ZY of, I'm not supposed to use the bigger one on top. I'm taking the smaller one to be on top. So that means PQ of this one, PQ of this should be equal to YZ or ZY of the second one. So don't forget from the question say PQ is equal to QY, and that's equal to 3 centimeters. So here will be 3 centimeters. Fine. Very good. So from here, I can substitute what I have to get what I need. So looking at this relationship, I can get what I need from there. So let's go. XP from the question is 4 all over XY. What is XY? This is XY, that's 8. And that will be equal to PQ. Where is PQ? PQ is 3 all over ZY. Where is ZY? This is ZY. So this is what I am finding. So if I cross multiply, I can get my zy. So zy will be equal to 8 times 3 divided by 4. So if I make zy the subject of formula, so 4 here 1, 4 here 2. So that means zy equal to 2 times 3. That's 6 centimeter. That's option B. Thank you.